Hello guys, mag-walk tayo sa snow ngayong Sunday morning. So ito ang Lumi Lioko Kingat. Practice natin. Yes, put that and fixed it there. You see my lalab is fixing my
Liuku lumikengät.
Liuku lumikingat. Ay, pastilan kahirap man i-mention sa Finnish language, abe. So, ayan, i-pinifix ng lalab yung aking paa. Parang very tight lab. Okay.
Hyvä, pistä tuo kenkä.
Okay, next. Yung aking right. So, professional lang daw ang gumagawa nito. At ako ay hindi professional, so sila lab yung aking alliance para sa aking mga snow activities. Ayan. Okay, ayan. At parang lab sobrang higpit. It's too tight. Okay lang? Okay. So, lalab yung video natin just now is this way.
Yeah.
I don't know how is it now possible.
No, I think it's okay.
And there is my tabara. So this sawa. So step. Oh my God. So I need to hakbang also. A step, yes. Okay, so let's go and walk. Kailangan yung tuhod mo dito. Oh God, matibay. Kasi mag-slide na ako mamaya. So ito ay ginagamit. Ito po, may kamahalan po ito. Ginagamit po ito sa pag ganitong makapalang snow. Ginagamit para mag-walk ka, para hindi ka lumubog pa ilalim. So dinadala ka nito sa taas ng snow. Gagamitin po namin ito sa Lapland very soon. Papunta po kami doon. So, is it? Ganyan po.
Make shorter that your step. Yes, that kind shorter.
Tapos itong sawa ko lab nung ganyan.
Yeah, it's okay.
So, ito po ang fun kapag winter dito. You can have so much activities in the snow and the beautiful winter. See, mag-turn tayo dito dahil baka ma-silhouette doon. So, napaka wide ng field na ito. You see, ito mga balanggayan, yung line na yan ay para naman dun sa mga suksit kung tawagin nila dito. Diyan sila dumadaan. Can I also pass in that line? Okay, subukan natin kasi para yan sa mga small na na mga suksit. So, dada yung buli ko doon, kadada doon. Okay? Oh, so slippery! Oh God! Alam mo na, it's very slippery! Ayun! Oh, mabilis ako dito, lab. I'm faster here. Mas mabilis pala pag mayroon ng daan. Yun! It's more fun in snow. Did I Ricky the yalka of the other people? Ayun. Okay. Padrap ako dito. Pupuntahan ko sila, lab. Yun. Yes. Ganito po ang fun. Pinapawisan na ako. Alright. Punta ako doon. Okay. Pinapractice na mga alalab yung aking Lumi Lioko Kingat. Mabilis ba? Yan. Through this Lumi Lioko Kingat, tinataas ka sa snow. Kasi in Lapland, the snow is maybe over me. So, you have to use this kapag nag-walk ka sa nature kasi para hindi ka lumubog. Ito po yung magiging magiging barko mo para hindi ka lumubog. Itataas ka po nito. Yan. Punta tayo doon sa place. Uy, mabilis na ako lang. I'm faster now. Yung cellphone ko nandoon ah. Ayan. Very rusty naman ang mga tao dito. Hindi yan nila Oh, aakyat na tayo doon where I perform my halo-halo moments there. Ayan. Kaya ko bang umakyat sa bundok? Akyat pa more. What? Bumabalik ako. What? But ito yung iyong alliance para itulak ka pataas kung medyo bulubundukin yung inaakyat mo. So ito. Now, I reach, oops! I reach the top of the world. Go down. Oh my God! But I'm going to sleep there. Whew. Okay. Pababa na ito. Pababa na. Oops! Lumabog! Ulit! Napuno yung aking sapatos ng snow. Pwede ba lang? Woo! Woo! Ano ba yan? Oh God! Okay. Yan. Ayan. Malapad po. Sobrang lapad po itong field na to. Maghapon ako dito. Mali pa pala yung soksit ko, hindi nakalagay sa aking kamay. My God. Ganyan pala yan. Okay. No, it's very bad. Okay. No need. Okay. Mabilis na ako. May ice dito lag. May ice. And the bottom. So, I think my hand's getting frozen. I have rocasit there. Let's go and collect my rocasit. I forgot that. Oh, I have sweat now. Pinapawisan na ako. I need to take out my pipo. I'm sweating. Yan. Galing. Galing na ni Nining magliyoko. Ayan. So, dito yung ating beginning point. Yan. Dati yung mucus ko. Yes, now is scatter. Ano yung nag-una? Pupunta tayo doon sa sa mga pine trees. Ayun doon, nagami nag-ski doon. We need to dig our ski equipments in the storage that we can also ski there. Kailangan kong mag-swim sa snow. Mag-swim ako sa snow. Ayun, ang dami doon ski, oh. Where's the photographer? Nakatawid ako dito. But that's, oh yeah. Wow. Do I need to gapang here? Oh.
Yeah, don't go near. No, no.
Don't jump.
No, don't go. It's too deep.
So, dito mga palangga yan. Water po yan. Papunta doon. Yan. Frozen na sila ngayon. Kaya hindi tayo lulundag doon. We're not going to jump there. Ang ganda! Wow. Can I write here my name? It's in a bowl, no? Now I have my stick. Here are shy! Ayan. The Piura is haven't seen Yalka. The mark. Yan, wow. So, ito mga marks ng ng mga usa. Ito, mga marks ng mga usa. Pwede tumawid dyan.
Yeah, you can cross now.
Yes. Sundan natin yung mga yapak ng mga usa. So sigurado hindi tayo lulubog dyan. Whoops! Woo! It's so deep! Malalim! Kaya lalag! Ayan! Lalag ko! Dito ay may island doon. Island! Bundok! May wind na Sila lab yan, mabilis. Mabilis siya sa kanyang liyoko. Making bat. Lab and Pieda. Mikanimi nama.
Lumikengät.
Okay. So, ito pala, Lumikingat yung pangalan. Tapos yung mahaba, Lioko Lumikingat. Yun. Oh, how can we pass by? Oh, Lala is very fast. But what about me? But what about me? Lala is very fast oops, to jump this Oya. And me? My God, I'm like a turtle. A turtle pa more. Yan. So, lakad lang tayo ng lakad dito sa nowhere ng karamihalang snow. Ang dami doon nag-i-ski po doon. Ang dami nag-i-ski. Dito, wala pong gaanong tao. Kunti lang. Kaya, ang nature po nila, makalakad po. Wala kang distancing dito. Nobody will do distancing because there is no people. Hindi ba? Ayan. At mga kalalab, dito, during summer, this all open field, so much of flowers and different kind of plants are growing here. But for now, we just can see the snow. Dadabidyohin kita sa pro camera. Ako naman, ayaw mo. Ikat na lang yun. Ayaw nila lab magpa-video. Ako na lang lagi ang bida. That's my ice chair. Ice chair. Let's go and sit down. There is my ice chair last time. Or we just continue there. Okay. My back. And my swimming. How is my swimming? Saan? Where's the best? No to swim. Ito okay ako ito lang. Okay. Time is enough now. A little bit cold and coffee is calling us. Let's go and walk to the forest using still this Lumikingat. And then let's see how fun. Let's see how fun it is. It's kind of good that way because it's really Musa! Hallo, ito sa Louis!
Ai niin siinä se vai pitää aina mennä leveältä, ettei asu ton
Ja, hallo, here's also this, the rice.
Yeah.
Wala.
ajaa. Niin on helpompi niille.
Wala. Hyvä sunnuntai, jatkoa kaikille.
Hyvä jatkoa.
Moi moi. Ano itatin dito lang?
Yeah, yes, of course.
Oh, it's always tampok na ano na pike. Tinola pala sa tinolo yun ano. It's a good exercise for your legs, back. My back. My back is little pain now. How many hours we are here? Lumikin that. It's good for your health that you are walking in the nature peacefully and reload your fresh mind. Can I? So I'm there. Okay. I think this is not good for making snowman yet.
No, it's not.
Not yet. Yeah. It's not okay to make snowman because the snow is still not wet. It's still a dry snow and soft. So pag gumawa ka ng snowman, hindi pa sila mabubuo. Oh! Yes. Okay. Oh, so sorry for that. Yung aking spike. Tingnan mo, yung spike niya, talagang, oh, ayan, kita yung mga spike. Dumidikit po yan sa matigas na ice or snow. Beautiful forest. Nilalab. Magaling yan ano sa kanyang mga winter equipment. Naglalakad yan sa Lapland. Wala na doong ano footpaths. Kaya ang ganda oh. Marami pa rin mga ano mga snow all over. O dito. Mag-try ako dito. There is more fun in the snow. Wait lang. Wait lang. Cover tayo. Alright. It's more fun in the snow. Where are you? Hindi nahulog. Ayan ako. Hello! Puno ba ako ng snow? Ayan. Pwede akong gumapang doon sa ilalim ng pine tree na maraming snow. Ayan, ang ganda oh. Ayan, pwede ako dyan ano, umakyat. Ito. Ayan. Wow! Hi, Sisi! Ayan. Hello! Oh, hindi spike ha. Oops. There is fun in the snow. Oh my God. Hello. Oops. I only don't remember where I put my rock cassette.